Welcome back to another episode of The Average Homeowner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this shovel and rake rack that you see behind me, all from scrap material. You certainly can buy one of these about anywhere, but I had some scrap wood and some time, so I thought I'd whip something up. I had some scraps left of this 1-inch pine stair tread. You could see it's radiused on the one side. That's how it came, but I used it not for stair tread, but let me just show you. When I built the house, if you could see the bow at the top of this window, I made it out of that. And this is kind of the leftover pieces, so I thought I'd find a use for it. The first thing I did was find a piece of scrap lumber, the right length to fit on the wall that I want the shovels and rakes to go on. I laid out the shovels and rakes how I wanted them. I found the center, and then I decided, hey, let's find a drill bit that's going to make me a nice hole that the rakes will fit into. And I laid that out where I wanted it to go, and I offset it from this part because right here is where another piece of wood will attach so that I can actually screw it into the wall. I'm going to finish drilling my holes. Here's a little trick for a clean hole. If you push that drill bit through the other side, you'll get a frayed hole. Especially this drill bit, it's a little dull. So once I get going a little bit, I just drill with a hand drill. This baby here, I'll drill all the way through. That'll mark the hole on the back side, as you can see right here. And I'll drill through and I'll get a nice clean hole on both sides. I have all the holes cut here now. And I'm going to take the square here and draw some lines. So I'll cut this out right here and we'll be able to get our rake in there. And I'll be using the multi-tool here to cut these out. I got it started. As you can see, I attached a piece of scrap to both sides. Just put a couple screws in it. And now my only concern is the tool slipping off this part. So I'm going to take a piece of scrap molding and I'm going to tack it here. And then we'll cut out the bit part of it. Okay, before I started the project, I laid out how the rakes were going to go. And you could see now that I put all the pieces together, I did find the studs in the wall. And I attached it, leveled it, made sure the top one lined up with this one so the rake would go in. And yeah, there it is, hung on the wall. Another finished Average Homeowner project. Till the next time.